Hello everyone, welcome to my Physics 101 final project video. My name is Phys101 and I am studying Electrical Electronics Engineering in Bilkent University. The experiment consists of two parts, which I will be talking about in the later parts of this video. But generally the aim is to observe a projectile motion when launched to an inclined plane from 24.5 centimeters away. And to compare the data obtained with the theoretical values and calculate an error percentage and see whether the calculated angle that provides maximum range really provides maximum range. And the equipment needed in this project are projectile launcher, projectile, ruler, phone to measure the time and the angles, then carbon paper, and Python script, which I will be sharing with you. First part of the experiment is to find the initial velocity that the spring launcher can provide. To find this, I conducted three motions by launching the projectile parallel to the ground and measuring the time and the distance it covered. Then, using the formula, I calculated the velocities. And the second part of the experiment is the main part. In this part, I conducted three separate projectile motions launched to an inclined plane, which has a degree of 20. And using the ruler, I measured the distances they covered along the inclined plane, as shown in the video. Finally, to find the theoretical values, I needed to solve this equation for D. But since it was too complex to solve and hard, I wrote a Python script so that it can solve it for me. And using this script, I obtained this information. In conclusion, the final table was looking like this. As much as I tried to do the calculations and measurements as precise as possible, there was deviation, and it was way more than the expected. And the error percentage for 45 degrees it was 34.2, and for 65 degrees it was 38.1, and for 55 degrees it was 29.0, and the average error percentage was around 34, which was still too much. They might be caused because of the equipment or the external forces such as friction or air resistance, which would cause some energy loss or deviation in path, and they'll be causing deviation in numbers. If there were better equipments, then more precise and accurate calculations and measurements could be made, and better results can be obtained. Thanks for listening.